In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know to safely and easily replace the main 12-volt battery in your Kia Sportage. First, open the hood by pulling this lever under the dashboard. Then locate the battery in your engine compartment. As you can see, the battery is under the air intake duct, which is actually very easy to remove. All you have to do is remove these two plastic retainer clips that is holding the air duct in place. You can use a clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to remove these clips. Gently slide the tool under the head of the clip, then pry the center pin up slightly to release the locking mechanism. Once the center pin is raised, the clip should come out easily. Now remove the other retainer clip. With the clips removed, gently pull the air intake duct away from the air filter housing. It should come off without much effort. After removing the duct, set it aside in a safe place. Now we have clear access to the battery. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, loosen the nut on the negative terminal and carefully disconnect the cable. Always start with the negative terminal to avoid electrical short circuits. Next, lift up the cover from the positive terminal of the battery. Then loosen the nut and disconnect the cable. Make sure the cables are tucked safely to the side to prevent accidental contact. Now you will have to remove this hold-down clamp on top of the battery. There are two nuts holding the clamp in place, but you only have to remove one of them to take out the clamp. Use a 10mm socket to remove the nut securing the clamp. Then take out the clamp. With the clamp out of the way, carefully lift the old battery out of the tray. Batteries are heavy, so use both hands and be careful to avoid injury. Before installing the new battery, inspect the battery tray for corrosion or dirt. As you can see, the tray is very dirty in my Sportage. So I'm going to clean this first. That looks much better. Also check the battery terminals for corrosion or dirt and clean them with a wire brush for a solid connection. Place the new battery in the tray, ensuring the terminals are in the correct orientation. Reinstall the hold-on clamp and tighten the nut securely. Reconnect the positive cable first and tighten the nut. Then reconnect the negative cable and tighten that nut as well. This sequence is important for the safety of your vehicle. Make sure the clamp and the connections are secure. Once you are done with the battery work, it's time to reinstall the air intake duct. Insert the duct back into the air filter box and line up the holes. Now take a clip and gently push its base into the hole until it's flush with the surface. Now push the center pin down to lock the clip in place. Reinsert the other clip as well. Double check everything to ensure it's secure, then start your engine to confirm the new battery is working correctly. After installing the battery, you may have to readjust the time in your infotainment system. In some cases, you may also have to reset the panoramic sunroof and auto windows. I have already made videos on how to reset them. See the links in the video description. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.